Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver 25 on Linux Mint 22.1. Then we will connect PostgreSQL, MySQL. Open any web browser, then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Hit enter. See here, DBeaver community is a free cross-platform database tool for developers, database administrators, analysts, and everyone working with the data. It supports all popular SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQLite, Apache family, and more. Okay, and see here we have the two types of DBeaver editions: community edition and pro edition. Pro is the commercial version, community is open source. So click on download. See here the latest release is 25.05. For Debian type operating systems like Linux Mint, Ubuntu, we have to download this Linux Debian package. Click on it. At a moment download will be started. See, download started and its size is 125 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the DBeaver. C means community edition Debian package. So install it. Sudo dpkg-i DBeaver, user tab, hit enter. Provide the password of this user, hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, then search for DBeaver. See here we have the DBeaver. Open it. See, it is community edition. Now, see here we can select any one of these databases. Let me close this one. Close this one. We have successfully installed. So this file is not required. RM. Remove this one. DBeaver. User tab. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Now we will see how to connect to PostgreSQL. Click on this plus button, that is database connection. Then select the PostgreSQL. Then click on next. Here in the hostname we have to provide the hostname or IP of the machine where PostgreSQL is installed. And default port number for my PostgreSQL is 5432. The existing databases, this is the one. Show all databases. Then username. Then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Now it will ask us to download the drivers. Click on download. See, it is downloading the drivers for the PostgreSQL. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand connection. Expand databases. See, we have the databases. Right click. If you want to run queries, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Select star from customer. Select the query and execute. See, you got the output. Okay. This is the way to connect to PostgreSQL. If you want to connect MySQL, click on again this new database connection, then select MySQL, then click on next. Again, port number for MySQL is 3306. Then here we have to provide the existing database name, username, provide the password of this user. Then click on text connection. Again, download drivers. See, we got this error. I will show you the resolution. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Okay. Click on OK. Click on finish. Then right click on that MySQL connection. Edit connection. Then go to driver properties. Then see here allow public. By default it is false. So make it as true. Then click on OK. Now right click and click on connect. See, successfully connected. Expand databases. See here we have the same database. Right click. Then the queries against MySQL, SQL editor, open SQL console. See, this is the Postgres. So close this one. Now verify the version of the MySQL that I have installed. Select version. Click on execute. See, I have installed MySQL 9.2. See here the version of the DBeaver is 25. So in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver 25 on Linux Mint 22.1. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL or MySQL from the DBeaver. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.